Alright guys, today I want to share with you this tool that I discovered from the Play Store. You can use it to generate AI GIF and animated photo, that is to turn your pictures into AI. You understand? So first of all, when you register, you get free coins that you can start with. Then when you check in every day, they also give you free coins for a week that you can use to generate. So one thing I want you guys to put in mind, have at the back of your mind, is most of these AI tools, over time you require to do an upgrade so that you can keep using and benefiting from their services. Yes, so for now, let's use this one for free. Create your images, and click on all. You can see you can generate any kind of image, avatar, simple anime, retro pop kind of picture, realistic photos, quick take and reloaded style, old passport, and all that. For the purpose of this training, you click on image or video. Let me create image to video. So I'll select animate photo. So let's see how this works. You can see you need to spend 50 coins to generate picture to video. So guys, that is what I want to share with you guys today. So if you feel this particular tool is good for you and your digital work online, you can go ahead and do an upgrade so that you can enjoy other benefits. So if you check in every day, you get extra coins for free. So I've done my own check-in for today. Tomorrow I can do check-in and get extra coins for free. So guys, remember to subscribe to the inner circle. I always share tools and resources that you can use. I have tips and tricks on how to DIY, how to do it yourself. Join the EODigiStore inner circle. Alright guys, see you in my next videos, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and also remember to watch my animated videos from my channel. Thank you guys. Nice being with you.